Is the African swine fever, or ASF. The Agriculture Department has set up 8 inspection sites in Luzon to prevent the spread of ASF. These inspection sites are in Metro Manila, Cavite, Laguna, and Batangas, which is currently under a state of calamity. Those who are bringing meat products without a certificate of meat inspection are not allowed to travel with their products. Despite the spread of ASF, the DA does not recommend declaring a nationwide state of calamity due to ASF.
Hindi naman buong bansa apektado, and yung ginagawang action naman ngayon would suffice, is enough for now.
Sabi nga nila, yung mga vehicles carrying yung mga kanilang mga livestock from other areas are going to be disinfected bago sila makapasok nga sa point of entry nila.
Oo, kasi
parang ganun din ginawa before eh.
Yeah,
diba?
oo. Parang yung nagkaroon ng outbreak dati ng, naalala mo yung FMD,
yes,
yung foot and mouth disease, di ba? Nagiging protocol na rin yung tatapak ka sa disinfectant na mat. Tapos may gloves ka and may parang similar to a PPE. Oo, so ngayon at least further we reduce the hanggat wala pang steady supply of vaccines.
Yes, and this is itong proseso na ginagawa nila ay para ang tawag dito, hindi magkaroon ng interruption, hindi ma-disrupt yung repopulation program ng Department of Agriculture. Kasi pag may pumasok kahit isa dyan affected chain reaction.
By the hundreds and thousands ang pagkakal natin eh.
Diba? So, yun ang nakikita nilang way, no, para makontrol nga itong pagkalat ng African swine fever. And dun sa mga pupunta dun sa mga inspection sites na nabanggit natin kanina sa Manila, saan pa, sa Cavite, sa Laguna, Batangas, ay kapag wala sila ng certificate of inspection, sila ay hindi na papapasukin at pababalikin kung saan man sila galing. Diba? And which is yun lang, fair lang naman yun, no? Para nga makontrol yung pag-spread ng ASF.